As is a no-go. Hey everyone, Misty Darling here from Be Better DSM and Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Innovations. And I'm here to tell you I have a pet peeve when it comes to real estate listings. And it is that you should never put in the listing remarks that a home is being sold as is. A lot of times there's really legit reasons why a seller client is like, I do not have the funds to take care of something. I do not have the ability, the time, maybe they're out of state, out of the area. And so they are not physically going to have the ability to address if there are different items that come about. But honestly, isn't that where we come in? It's so important to help a seller strategize, not just be an order taker and say, oh, they told me as is, so that's what I'm going to market it as. Because as is can mean that you're really putting up red flags for people that could be completely appropriate buyers. Instead, I recommend that you let the seller know. I understand what your goal is. You're concerned about being nickeled and dimed, having a lot of financial inconvenience, having a lot of additional things that you need to do in order to sell the home. I totally get that. My strategy is we are not going to say it's as is. We are going to allow a buyer to do a home inspection, because if there are issues within the home, there are going to be contingencies that could be leveraged by that buyer, whether or not we say as is in the comments. But maybe through my negotiating skills and through my guidance, we can go, okay, what are the things that are truly important in order to make this home successfully sell because of financing or because of financing appraisal requirements or inspection requirements? Are they things that I can help you get coordinated and paid out of closing? Are they things that we can negotiate? Here, buyer, we got some information on it and we'll negotiate you taking care of it after closing. Don't want to do is eliminate potential buyers because they're afraid to even step foot within the door because they think this home must have so many issues that it's not even worth looking at. When a lot of times that's not even really the case. So for me, I avoid an as-is strategy because I want to allow as many potential buyers to be looking at our listings as possible. Now, if you have any questions about like, well, what do I do in this situation? Hit me up. I'm happy to give you my advice. I've been doing this a long time, 26 years, and I've seen a lot. Working with resales, foreclosures, new construction, all of that. And, you take all those different pieces and it gives you bits of knowledge to move on to the next transaction. But yeah, as is not something that I'm interested in.